Good morning, team. This is the economical calendar. We have some news coming out today. We have a Fed speaker speaking at 8 a.m. this morning. We have trade-in goods at 8:30. We have basically a whole bunch of news going on today. So definitely want to watch to see what's going to overall happen today. But tomorrow is the day that we want to watch out for. We have Powell speaking tomorrow at the ECB, and that's going to basically be a nice market mover tomorrow. So definitely want to be patient today. Don't go for any drastic moves today, just because we know that most people are going to be waiting to see what Powell says, as you guys know. So jumping over towards the charts over here, looking at the SPY on the 4-hour chart, we are right there at the SMA. Yesterday, we basically went sideways yesterday. We've been going sideways since like the 24th, where we're just holding this flat plane over here. We've been on an upward staircase pattern, but now we're going sideways. So we're holding above that 180-day trade line. We are a little bit more on the overbought side. So there's more possibility for downside than upside at this point, but anything could happen in this type of market. So definitely want to watch to see if we break that 387. Once we start to break 387, we could start going to 380. If we start to go up, watch for the break of 391, then we could start going to 394 or that 395 zone. And you definitely want to be cautious around that zone because that's the SMA. If we break 395, we can start pushing up towards 400. Dropping from the 4-hour to the 20-day, the 20-day 1 hour, you guys could basically see it a little bit clearer over here, that we are going a little bit more in the sideways zone. So definitely watch to see that 391. You can see 391 was some type of resistance yesterday. As soon as we break it, we can start pushing up towards 395. The MACD is basically trying to bounce over divergence over here. That is a bullish sign. So if this crosses over and starts to open up, could start basically pushing up overbought and maybe even trying to test that SMA on that 180-day. If not, watch for the break below 390. Then we can start going to 387 and possibly start going down towards those 380 zones over here. Next stock we're going to talk about is Tesla. Tesla is building a chop zone over here. Definitely want to watch to see what's going on with Tesla. Tesla has been giving some signs of strength. As you guys can see this trend line over here, Tesla's basically been doing a step and staircase pattern. So if it breaks that pattern, which is going to be at 733 or 732, we could start basically going down towards 720, 710 over here. But if it starts to hold that pattern, you guys could look to get in early around like 743 in anticipation for that break at 757. If we break 757, we can start going up towards that 792. Make sure you guys set your alert for either or situation. Next one we're going to talk about is Amazon. Looking at Amazon over here, same type of situation with Amazon, step and staircase pattern. If it breaks it, that's going to be at 112. We can start going to 108, but if it starts to hold it, watch for the break above 114 towards 118, and then we could basically start to hold and go towards that 122 up here on Amazon. Next one we want to look at is Disney. Disney actually has news today. They basically have a Shanghai Disneyland that's going to reopen June 30th. So that's in like 2 days from now. So definitely want to watch to see how Disney's reacting. You can see Disney was moving flat around 91, started to push up. It has a resistance over here at 100. If we start to break 100, we can start basically pushing up towards 102, which was a previous resistance and support before. If it starts to come back down, this does look like a fake double top. Watch for the break of 97 down towards 95. So that's going to be it. Make sure you guys stay very cautious today. We could get some choppy action, especially with a news headline supposed to come out tomorrow with Powell. So make sure you guys use a stop loss, follow the charts, go with the trend. Hopefully you guys all have a green trading day. Later.